The strange connection between haircut and the stock market. Bear market. What goes up must come down, and in the case of stock prices sliding down, we call it a bear market. A bear market is characterized by falling prices, the opposite of a bull market. Bull market. On the more profitable flip side, the term bull market is used when stock prices are rising. Black swan. Besides the actual bird, a black swan is defined as an occurrence or phenomenon that comes as a surprise because it was not predicted or was hard to predict. When it comes to the stock market, that's not usually a good thing. Examples of financial black swan events include the dot-com bubble of 2001, the 9/11 attacks, and, more recently, the coronavirus pandemic of 2020. Haircut. A slang stock market term, a haircut refers to the value of an asset deducted to account for a possible fall in its value before it can be liquidated. You typically will hear about a haircut if you're using your stock portfolio for collateral. The term is also sometimes used when referring to an amount borrowers pay back to lenders when it's less than the amount owed. For example, some creditors may take a haircut from a borrower rather than going to the effort of pursuing the entire amount of a debt. Bourse. If you hear someone speaking of a bourse, they're likely referring to a European stock exchange. Recession. A recession is defined as a time of economic contraction, and experts say it can be one of the best times to purchase stocks, as their price is expected to rise when the recession ends. Depression. When it comes to economics, a depression is defined as a period during which business, employment, and stock market values decline severely or remain at a very low level of activity. In other words, it's bad news all around. Volatility. When we're talking volatility in the stock market, we're talking about those assets that tend to go up and down quite drastically. Day trading. If you like to carefully watch the stock market and frequently buy and sell shares on the same day, you're day trading. Some people even become full-time day traders, trying to make a living beating the market. Ticker tape. An American term, ticker tape refers to the ribbon of paper on which a ticker prints quotations or news, which is how stock symbols and prices were traditionally recorded.